Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. In today's video I have a Delve food system right here with different rarities, so legendary, rare, common, so it depends on what kind of rarities you want to add. And yeah, so it is very noob friendly. So the script, of course, you're able to enter your own wait time, your own rarities whatsoever. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Also, I'm going to drop the solution I was talking about, so about the other games series, so ABA, One Piece game series, JoJo game series, Anime Fighter series tomorrow. So watch tomorrow's video to know what I'm going to do about those videos. And yeah, enjoy.